Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm going to make strawberry pie from the story The War with Grandma. This is the story that I'm currently reading right now, and I'm on chapter 39. This book is so funny. It's one of my favorite books. The ingredients for the graham cracker crust will be half teaspoon of cinnamon, 10 graham crackers, 1 stick of melted butter, 8 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And for the strawberry filling, we will use 18 fresh frozen strawberries, a 3-ounce package of lemon jello, and 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. First, we're going to start by making the graham cracker crust. So let's use these ingredients and turn them into a graham cracker crust. Alright, it's done now, and if you want to see me make it, check out this video I made in 2019 about the key lime pie. Now that the graham cracker crust is done, we have a cup of boiling water in the pot, and I already put a 3-ounce package of lemon jello in it. And while that's going, stir until the gelatin dissolves. Once the gelatin has dissolved, add it to a bowl, add half a cup of cold water, and stir. Once you have done that, let it chill for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature. While we wait, we can cut our frozen strawberries. Now that the jello mixture has been chilled out, now it's time to add 2 cups of vanilla ice cream to the bowl. Anyways, on chapter 38 in the story, the Strawberry Days competition has started and Meg had to pick a lot of strawberries from the bushes. Meg found one of Grandma's recipes on a piece of paper and she said, might as well use it. Once you've added a pint of ice cream to the bowl, mix it and let the ice cream melt. Now that we've done that, it's time to add our sliced strawberries to the bowl and add it into the mixture. Once all the strawberries have been added to the bowl, it's time to stir them into the mixture. Now that it's blended, pour the mixture into the pie dish. Now that the mixture has been poured into the pie dish, it's time to put in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. And since we have extracted the mixture, we can save that for another time. Also, if you're wondering how to say strawberry pie in Spanish, it's pastel de fresa. El pastel de fresa es del libro de la guerra con la abuela. Alright guys, I'm back, and now it's time to try the strawberry pie. Alright, I'm gonna try and taste it. It's actually pretty good. It's kind of like ice cream a little. Since it was in the freezer for a while, had that nice crunch. That graham cracker crust. So good. And try the whipped cream now. Irresistible. I'll be honest, without the graham cracker crust, this wouldn't even be the same. It even has that lemony taste from the jello. I love that. Yeah, this is delicious. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.